Hi everyone, Mark here at MAS Audio, and in today's video we're going to be showing you how to fix the electric door on this car. This one is no longer operating because of a motor failure. It's a Nissan Serena C25, so from 2005 up to 2007 I think, this one. Japanese import, and we're going to show you how to get to the motor and how to fix the motor. Right. First of all, we will need, let's get my screwdriver bits here, going to need a Phillips screwdriver. There's 2 screws here. Is just go around the edge of this, pop this panel out, move the lock mechanism just out the way. There we go. We've got a little plug. You have to push a button. Oh, that's quite tight actually. There we go. That was a toughie. But here you go, you can see the panel I've just removed with the 2 screws. The rest is clips. Right, okay, once you've got this piece off, the next thing you're going to do is pop the door panel loose on its clips with a trim tool. You want to do it with the door slightly open first. Also it helps if you, because these seats slide, so it helps if you just slide this one over with the centre armrest piece out the way. It gives you a bit more room. So we are now going to pry this door panel off. Right. Right, once you've got started on this corner, then just close the door. Just pop all the pop clips loose, then we're going to just lift it up slightly, pull it away from the door there, and there you go. So 2 screws and a bunch of pop clips and the door panel will come away. So we'll just slide it into the back out the way. Now you've got your door all exposed. Speaker down here, we can show you how to upgrade those as well. Now the part we're interested in is this piece here, this little motor actuator. This is the piece that fails. So what you're going to do is, where the cable is attached here, all you need to do is just slide this down. There's a gap there, you just slide that off of the cable so that piece swivels down and round. And just simply pull your cable out, and you've got a plug here, so just push the tab in, unplug your plug, and then we've got some screws holding it in place. So we'll just get them screws out. Where's my Phillips screwdriver? I've lost it. So we've got one, hopefully you can see that, got one here, one just underneath it, and one to the side. So you can use a Phillips screwdriver, or it's a 10mm. If it's really tight, which they're not normally tight, you can use a 10mm socket to get it off as well. So once you've undone those, you can remove it from the door, and then you've just got to pull the cable out of its little holder there. It's just clipped in. If I just show you, that's the assembly. So the cable clips into that little piece there, that little bracket, and this is the piece where the cable sat. It just pushes in, and this piece just slides round and clicks into place. So when you want to take it off, you just unclip it and then take it off. 3 screws, and that's the unit out. Now in the next video, I'm going to show you what you want to do with this piece, because you can buy these as a replacement, but they're like £260 English pounds, so they're quite expensive, but we're going to show you how to fix this piece. So keep an eye out for our next video, and we'll show you what we have to do next. Thanks for watching everyone, stay tuned, like, share and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.